Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm happy to present Jenny for you with a song called Twin. Alright, so I instantly fall in love with this song. It's a great song. Obviously for two reasons. First and foremost, I'm a guitarist, so this is nice to play. Very simple chords, very guitarish chords. And also the song itself is a great one from Jenny. And I believe perhaps she's here for the first time on Going Guitar. She will be back for sure. She released songs recently, so this one was the obvious first one, Twin. All right, let's go into this one, and we don't need any capo for this. We have 5 chords, I believe. So let's go and learn the chords. We have E first, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have B, and we're gonna go with the open fashion as they are playing that as well. So normally that's a bar chord. We're not gonna do a bar out of this. So we're gonna play just the second A, and then fourth D, fourth G, open B, and open E. So it has this airy open feeling. Love that sound. Anyway, that's a B. We have next the C sharp minor. So you continue with that open fashion style. Normally this is a bar chord. Now it's not. So it's 4th A, 6th D, 6th G, 5th B, and open E. We also got the A sus2. And that is open A, second D, second G, open B, open E, and the final chord is the F sharp minor. Okay, and that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Alright, so there we have the chords. Now let's learn the strumming, and it's a pretty long one. If you have the E, grab that one. We're gonna illustrate the strumming with E, and it goes like this. Okay, so you start with down, and then comes up, down, down, and then again up, down, down, then down, up. So it's down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And a couple rounds. Okay, so there you have it. Now let's go into the first verse. And I just want to mention right from the start here that I love these songs that can really play with chord progressions, because we're gonna see here that what is the verse chord progression in the first round will be the chorus in the next round, and back and forth like this. So it doesn't follow the exact same throughout the song, but it still plays with the same chord progressions. Okay, you're gonna notice that. Now let's go into the first verse. We have E, 2 string rounds, then B, 2, A sus2, and back to E2. So both starts and ends on E, 2 string rounds per chord. You're going to play that chord progression of E, B, A, E for 2 rounds. One round goes like this. Okay, 2 rounds of that, and there you have the first verse. Into the first pre-chorus at 1:08, it starts that one. I didn't leave you. Okay, that's where you are in the lyrics. And now you're gonna play the F sharp 1, the A sus1, and E2. That's the first half of it. Next half will be F sharp 1, A1, and then B, 1 round plus 1 down, and the pause. So F sharp, A sus, and E2. F sharp 1, A sus 1, and B, 1 plus 1 down, and the pause. And we're gonna play it for that one round. That pause builds up for the chorus that comes now, and it happens about 1 minute and 30 seconds in. Twin, twin, twin. That's the lyrics. Now we're gonna go into the C sharp and play 1, then A sus1 and E2. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So again, C, A, and E. All right, so there you have it. Beautiful chorus as well. And that's the first round. Now in the second verse, it starts 153 in. And now you're just gonna continue, like I said, they twist here with the chord progression. So you play the chorus of C sharp 1, A1, and E2. Now you're gonna continue with the verse play and play that in the same way. So you're gonna start with C sharp 1, A1, and E2. That's the first half of it. The second half will be to play C sharp 1, A1, and E1 and B1. So it has different endings there. So I'm gonna take you through that, and you're gonna play all of this for just one round. That's the second verse, sorry. Let's go. And I forgot to mention the extra 1 down on B. So there you have the chord progression. So to summarize that, the second verse, you had C sharp 1, A1, and E2. Then C sharp 1, A1, E1, B1, plus 1 extra down. And thereafter, you have this second pre-chorus. Okay, so the second pre-chorus is played in the same way as the first one, so no changes there. We had F sharp A E, F sharp A B, okay? And after that comes the second chorus, okay? And that second chorus is played in the same way as you play the first verse, okay, pretty much. So it goes E2, B2, A2, and E2 for the first round. And then the second round, you're gonna play 1 down on the same chords with big pauses in between. So E, and then B, and then A, and then you're gonna end with the final E. So like this. And that's the end chord, E for Jennie Twin, okay? Nice song, really enjoyed to play this. Reminiscent of many other songs played historically back in the days when it comes to this open fashion, these exact chords, E, B, A, C sharp range of area there. So that is a nice song from Jennie Twin. Give it a try. If you love the song, then this is a hit when it comes to the playing. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.